Welcome back, everybody. 3 at 3. We're covering it from down here in Puerto Rico, the continent of Puerto Rico. And it is the 9th of March. And yes, you are tuned in because we bring you unusual option activity. Unusual option activity. Pete and I have coined that phrase, let's see, back in 1999, of all things. And we have been bringing it ever since. So, you know, if you want to say, well, that's 24 years. Yeah, long time. And today's unusual activity is about to get started, but just wanted to show you this one from 2 days ago, BITO. They were buying puts in BITO, 15,000 of those puts. That's 1.5 million share equivalent. The particular BITO shares were trading 1363. Today, that traded down hard, and those 1350 puts for March expiration, well, they moved on up nicely from, as you see, 20 to 23 cents to 72 cents. Triple. Bang. We love that. And about a little more than half of them have turned over today. Teachable moment. This is an option that expires tomorrow. No matter what you think about what's going on with Bitcoin and banks and the BLS tomorrow, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and what they might announce, you want to take off the bulk of your position. I can't do it for you. I can tell you what I did. I'm out of 75% of the trade. Why? Because this is a gift. These options are up 350% today. So if you're somebody that wants to just keep rolling the dice, maybe you'll get a buck. Maybe you'll get $1.50 tomorrow. But is that how you want to trade? I like hitting singles and doubles, singles and doubles, singles and doubles. If you want to swing for the fences, by all means, hold on. Maybe it'll be even worse tomorrow for some of the volatility and the things like Ethereum and Bitcoin and the related banks and whether or not you can get any cash. If you actually sold your Bitcoin, can you actually get it turned back into fiat? Well, with Silicon Valley Bank Corp and the likes of Silvergate, basically, you know, praying in some cases that they're still around, it's going to be tough. But nonetheless, I take profits when I get them when it's this short till expiration. You've got less than, well, I guess you got 25 hours roughly, but that's not enough time. I want to take the bulk off. So 75% in my hot little pocket. The rest I'll take off probably depending on what happens. There is no pre-market trading in the options, but if the stock traded down hard, I could buy stock against the puts that I own. That would work out as well. But keep in mind, I've never said that there is pre-market trading for options. So when I talk about covering, if it's a put, I'm talking about covering by buying stock. If it's a call, I'm talking about selling stock against an in-the-money call and so forth. So let's move on to unusual activity. And next Tuesday, March 14th, right at the market close, Mastering Market Momentum 101. You want to learn how we do what we do when we're trading momentum? By all means, go to www.marketrebellion.com/register. Hey, John Farrell, got to ask you, is that right? Is there a www2 or is it just www.marketrebellion.com/register? Oh, that 2 is in there by mistake. Oh, the 2 should be in there? Okay, so there you go. See, that's why John runs the show here, folks, because he knew. I look at it and I go, www2 marketrebellion.com/register seemed wrong. But John said, that's right. So go to www2 marketrebellion.com/register, sign up. It's free. You can join us Tuesday, March 14th, and learn how to master market momentum. Bang! Hope we see you. By the way, we'll send you a copy of it if you sign up. That's one of the things we do for you. So if you're somebody who's busy at 4 p.m. Eastern time, maybe your day's not done yet, and you don't want that boss looking over your shoulder saying, "What's going on over there?" Well, make sure you sign up, because then you'll get a copy of it, even if you can't be there live. All right. Next, AMD. Whoops. Ooh, geez, jumped right by it. There we go. Dang it. Boy, this thing doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. Big run. Okay. Is it over? Not saying it's over, but somebody bought next week expiring 83 puts. That's what the stock at 86, basically. $3 below where the stock is trading. Now, what I will do is I will try to spend about $1.31 buying an at the money put and selling an out of the money put, a put below the put that I own. That creates a put vertical spread. I make money if the stock drops, and I have addressed time decay, which is fierce in this trade, as well as market direction, which, if you're putting on a directional trade, which this is, you'd like a little help. So in case we blip up first and then go down or something, you don't get washed out. That's one of the ways that you want to play this kind of stuff. 16,000 of these puts purchased. Wow. Also, March 84 puts. So they bought 84 puts. Then they bought an even double amount of the 83 puts, both of them in March. Be aware of that. Bang. There's an ad for our Santa Rosa, California Market Rebellion Sonoma. You want to come on out, enjoy trading at 6:30 in the morning, because that's when it opens out in California. Markets open at 6:30. We will be there. And if you come, you will be there unless you're sleeping in. June 8th through 10th. We're at the Vintners Resort. It's going to be fabulous. 2 days of live trading. We've got a lot of meals that are going to be fun, and it's culinary. What is it? Not smorgasbord. Bacchanalia. Bacchanalia. I'm going to use the Italian word instead of the Swedish word. How about that? But 8th through the 10th in Vintners Resort, Santa Rosa, California. You can sign up by going to marketrebellion.com/Sonoma. I believe they've sold almost 20 of the slots. We only have 25. So if you want to join us, sign up now. marketrebellion.com/Sonoma, June 8th through the 10th. 2 days of live trading. Lots of coaches and mentors out there to help you get better fast with some, tutelage. 8th through the 10th of June, marketrebellion.com/Sonoma. IWM. I remember people thinking that, wow, John's buying those 87 puts, the 187 puts. Are those going to work out? Well, look at them now. They're almost $3 in the money. Bang. If we have a hot jobs report tomorrow, they're going to be deeper in the money. But these are April 176 puts, about 5-6 weeks into the future. 55,000 is 5.5 million share equivalent. They paid $246 for each and every one of those puts, because every option's for 100 shares. So do the math. Call it $250 times 55,000. This is a big trade, folks. If you want to follow those big traders, that means you're kind of like me, because I like to follow big trades when they go up like this. IWM 184.50. They're buying the April 176 puts. Bang. That thing could pay off huge. I will be selling downside puts underneath the puts that I am buying. Rebels Edge Live, we do it 4 days a week. We're about to go to a different time slot. It's coming up. Take a look. Rebels Edge Live. You can see it streaming on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, Spotify, and on marketrebellion.com/edge. Right now, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 1 o'clock Eastern time. Check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. All right. Lastly, Ally Financial, ALLY. We've got a bearish put roll. What did they do? Well, they're in here and they're buying the April 27 puts. That's $1.57 under where the stock's trading right now, because stock was trading 28.57. They're buying those April 27 puts, obviously below the market. I will be buying at the money puts and selling out of the money puts against it, because I move the odds into my favor when I do that. I'm addressing time decay as well as that market direction and so forth. So Ally, this is one of those things that if interest rates are going up and we're seeing more and more folks stretched on their car loans because interest rates are going up and maybe they got a loan from Ally, well, those rates are going up on that borrow that you just did to get that new or used car. Well, delinquencies are moving up fast in this space. Google it. You'll see what I'm talking about. ALLY, April 27 puts. Bang. All right, that's going to do it for us today, folks. Appreciate you joining me. Go to marketrebellion.com/get started for more. That's marketrebellion.com/get started for more. Thank you. Have a great day.